this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save files and config files for Star Rupture on PC. This is useful if you want to back up your saves, transfer them to another PC, or tweak your game settings. Let's get right into it. First, open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive. Open the Program Files x86 folder. Open the Steam folder. Next, open User Data. Now, open your Steam ID folder. This will be a long number. Inside, find the folder named 163.127.0 and open it. Open the Remote folder. Then open Saved. Open the Save Games folder. This is where your Star Rupture save game files are located. Now let's find the configuration files. Go back to your C drive. Open the Users folder. Click on your username folder. Now you'll need to open the App Data folder. If you don't see App Data, click the View tab at the top. Select Show and enable Hidden Items. Once App Data is visible, open it. Go to the local folder. Find and open the folder named Star Rupture. Inside, open the Saved folder. Now open the folder called Config. Open Windows. Double-click Game User Settings. This file contains your game configuration settings, such as graphics options and other preferences. And that's it! Now you know where to find both the save files and config settings for Star Rupture on PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.